Okay, welcome. In this video, we're learning how to solve x raised to the third power. And so that means we have to take the cube root of each side. We already talked about taking the square roots, but we haven't talked at all about taking a cube root. So this is where this is introduced. So the first step that we want to do is take the cube root of each side. So we know if there's 3 inside, remember that the 1 comes out, and we'll talk more about that rule down here. So if I take the cube root of x to the third, remember there's this x times x times x, so I have 3 x's, so 1 x will come out. Just like if I had x squared, there's 2 x's, and 1 x would come out. So I do it to the left side, and I also have to do it to the right side. So I have to take the cube root of 432. Now this side is not so easy. Here we have to take the prime factors. Now remember the prime factors, we always want to start checking the 2's. When we run out of 2's, we'll go to 3's. When we run out of 3's, we go to 5. When we run out of 5's, we check the 7's. And then usually sometimes we have to go to 11, or we may have to go to 13. But these first 4 right here are usually what we need to do to break the prime factors. So I want to find the prime factors of 432. So 432, I divide by 2 because I know it's an even number. I get 216. So 216. You can use your calculator. I've kind of done this problem before. I did a dry run through. Now I divide 2 into 216. That's 108. I divide 2 into 108. I get 54. I divide 2 into 54. I'm going to run out of room, but I get 27. I can't divide 27 by 2, but I certainly, because I ran out of 2's, I can certainly try 3. And 3, I get 9, and I know that's divisible by 3, so I'll do 3 again, and I'll get a 3. So there are my prime factors. Now remember the rule with square roots, if there was 2 on the inside, 1 would come out. Well, when we're doing a cubed root, I have to have 3 inside to get 1 to come out. So if you look right here, I have 3 2's. So this step right here, x equals, I know at least a 2 will come out. That one stays inside. And then if I look at my 3's, you can see that I get these 3's, 3 3's, right? Comes out as a 3. And then what's inside, left inside of that cubed is 2. Okay? So now I have 2 times 3 times the cube root of 2. So now the next thing I have to do is simplify. I want to simplify the insides to where there's, or the inside has to be simplified and the outside. So I can see that the outside needs to be simplified. So 2 times 3 is 6. So x equals 6. And then 2 is already simplified on the inside. So it's just 6 cubed roots of 2 is the solution to this. Now, unlike a square root, there's only one answer to this. It's not a plus or minus. Plus and minus is deal with a square where you have the primary and the secondary root. So, but this one, there's just 3 roots. There's 3 of these numbers. So if I take that, times it by itself 3 times, whatever this number is, it's an irrational number, right? It'll come out to be 432. Okay, so thank you for watching, and that's the end of this video here.